Hi, friends. I hope you guys have been doing well this week. It's hard to believe that it was 2 weeks since I've last seen you, and how much has changed in the past 2 weeks. So I hope you guys are staying well, that you're either having fun socially distancing with your roommates or socially distancing with your family and friends. Um, I can't believe I'm not going to lay eyes on you for the rest of the year. It seems so strange. So I wanted to let you know we just got our plans finalized for the remainder of the semester. So I mean, the nice thing about this course is that all you guys really had remaining was your demonstrations, and I've gotten approval to provide you with some options in terms of what what you'd like to do here. Can so this is my solution. So you have the option, instead of doing your demonstrations live, which is not an option, you can either film your demonstration with someone that you are socially distancing with and submit it online to me. So you can like send me a link on YouTube, or you can upload it to Avenue. I think your best bet's going to be to upload it to YouTube, just so you don't have to worry about the size of the file. If you opt to do your demonstration and record it, I do need it by end of day, so 11:59 p.m. on Wednesday, April the 1st. Your other option is to have the weight of the demonstration applied to your skill acquisition programs. So I would add a weight of 10% to your DTT skill acquisition program, and I would add 10% to your NET skill acquisition program. If you could please email me with what your preferred option is by Sunday, March 22nd, I would really appreciate it. So again, those options again, you either record your demonstration with a friend, family member, somewhere where you are not putting yourself at risk, and then get that submitted to me by end of day April 1st, or we take the weight of the skill acquisition demonstrations, and it gets applied to 10% gets applied to your DTT skill acquisition program, and 10% gets applied to your NET skill acquisition program. You guys, please email me if you have any questions about any of this. Email me if I can do anything to support you during this time. And I really hope that I can see you soon.